Good morning. At 9:43 a.m. this morning, a 7.6 magnitude earthquake has struck the eastern seaboard of the Philippines, specifically in the areas of Davao Oriental, eastern part of Davao Oriental. It's an offshore earthquake, 7.6 po. So right now, as we speak, a tsunami warning has been issued, urging people in the coastal communities of the following provinces to immediately evacuate to higher grounds or move further inland. So Eastern Samar, Dinagat Island, Davao Oriental, Southern Leyte, Surigao del Norte, Leyte, and Surigao del Sur. So owners of boats in harbors and those in the coastal areas of those above-mentioned provinces should secure their boats and move away from the waterfront. Boats already at sea during this period should stay offshore in deep waters until further notice. So as we speak, information from PHIVOLCS state that the first wave is expected between 9:43 up to 11:43 a.m. So we urge everybody to cooperate and execute evacuation procedures. So these are the initial information that we get. We urge these coastal communities to be on alert and immediately evacuate to higher grounds until further notice.